Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30542, and this is the Creator Cute Pug, and that's P-U-G, Pug, for a doggy. Apparently it's also a 3-in-1, so we can build more than just a pug. I guess we can build a, I don't know, what is that? Is that a sheep? A sheep and a bird, I guess? We'll go with the pug. Let's keep it simple. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my current plan is to do one of these LEGO Polybag build-alongs every day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, please think about subscribing. Also, if you'll look in the description, there will be a link for where you can find this on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I'll also include a link to Brickset if you just want information about this particular set itself. There's also a Google Docs document in the description that has information about these Polybag build-alongs that I'm doing, past, present, and future. So if you want to build along with the previous one, or if you want to plan ahead and build along with one of the upcoming ones, the information and links and stuff are in the document for where you can find all that stuff. And there's also links to the various videos themselves in the Google Doc. Alright, so you need 2 of these. So one of the things that I'm kind of curious about is, I don't know, I've always sort of had a weird, I don't know, I haven't really liked the when Legos attempt to do, lifelike isn't exactly the right word, but this kind of thing, where they try to make it something, you know, a thing in the world that's, I guess it would be, what would that be, like just a living thing, basically, where you have, you know, it's not a mechanical or a machined thing. Alright, so I need that piece. You'll see it hidden over here in my stack of pieces. Looking for, here it is. So, kind of wonder if this is going to be like the pug's tail or something. Alright, so this goes here, and then we need a 1x1, like so. Alright, so that takes care of that. And then I got a 1x2 brick. Like so. And we have one of these 1x2s right there. So that takes care of that. Alright, that's a weird choice. Y'all see that, right? It just, I don't know. I wonder why they used this piece instead of just a normal 1x2. No telling. Alright, so let's see. Up here, we got a couple more 1x2s, like so. And then this goes here. One of these, which I'm assuming is going to be where we attach the dog's head at the end. And then these go on like so. Alright, well, that's shaping up a little better than I was expecting so far. Alright, so next we need a couple of the cheese wedges. We got right here and right here, like so. So we get those. And then we make a couple more of those with these. We need 2 of these 1x1s with holes in them. And then 2 cheese wedges, which are facing, are aligned so they're facing like so. And this one like so. And then they clip on here for the back legs, it looks like so. So this gives us our legs. I don't know if these are supposed to be as stiff as they are, but they're relatively stiff. I don't know. And now we got to make feet. So we got to make the feet. Foot, 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 and foot. Like so. And then we have these 1x1s that are going to be, I guess, the legs. Like so. And one more. Here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure about Legos and living things, but maybe this doggie's going to turn out looking better than I think he will. Alright, so we attach our buddy the doggie, so he gets his feet. So we got, I can't hold on to it today. Foot number 1, foot number 2. Would it be paw and foot number 1 and paw and foot number 2? I guess, maybe so. And these are also facing this way, like so. And so that's his tail. Alright, this might be a weird point, but I feel like what they should have done almost is maybe done it where the piece with the single stud in the center was right here, and you could center the tail instead of, I don't know, that just might just be me. Alright, so we got our poor headless doggy. Now let's see what we gotta do. I'm assuming we make the head. Alright, so we set that aside and we commence to make the head. So get that, and like so, and then we have 3 of these. It's kind of a weird choice. 1, 2, and 3, like so. So we got that, and then a 1x3 goes across this piece right here, and then alright, so this is where the head's going to connect to the body, almost certain. So this clips in here and it'll attach to the front of the head. Now that is facing backward, like so, and then this is facing forward. I'm guessing this is going to be the tongue, maybe? And then this goes in here, like so. And then we have 2 1x1 bricks there and there. And then continue working on the dog's snout. So, and then a couple of cheese wedges. One here. You know, I know that I was talking kind of negatively about some of the organic creatures that Lego makes, but I mean, they kind of sort of take shape eventually and start to look like what they're intended to look like. I don't know. It's kind of neat because this is actually starting to look like a little dog head. So we're to this point right here. So we can fold it up. And we stick on some eyes. That's one thing I always have an issue with the eyes, is I try and not make the eyes too crazy looking. So, eye number 1 and eye number 2. That doesn't look too crazy. And then we got some cheese wedges or cheese slopes as the ears. Ear number 1. And ear number 2. Like so. And then, did I miss something we're supposed to put? Okay. So we put 2 of these on here. 2 1x1s. I was thinking I missed a step. So these go here to balance this out. They aren't quite lining up perfect. There's that. This is looking very much like a dog head so far. And then we finish off the head with a couple of these. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. That looks like a pretty decent dog head, actually. And then we snap it on here. We got our doggy. Alright. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of impressed with the dog. He's got a bit more, I don't know, there's a bit more personality to him than I was expecting. Alright, so we got our doggy. And the last thing we're going to do is build our fire hydrant. So for the fire hydrant, it's this, and this, like so. And then we put it on the side. So this is going to be the side of the curb, I guess. This little vent right here. And then for the fire hydrant, I got 1 and 2, like so. Let me make sure to line these up right. And then we got a top piece, and this goes on the top. Now for the side pieces, what we got to do is we got to snap this onto here, and then these go in here for the sides, like so. Alright, that actually doesn't look like too bad of a fire hydrant either. So we got our fire hydrant. That's not a terrible looking fire hydrant. So we got our fire hydrant and our doggy. That's not so bad. And we ended up with these extra pieces. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think I'm more impressed with the dog than I thought I was going to be. Anyway, let me know what you think about living creatures and making them out of Legos. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.